Initial after 6 months therapy. Normal aged TD. With HR senile dementia TD. With HR. It is proposed that the test drug hypophy-ramnoids can be a choice of antioxidant agent for the prevention and management of neurodegenerative and cardiovascular disorder wherever oxidative injury is involved. Reference 1. A. Azzi, K.J.A. Davies and F. Kelly, Free Radical Biology Terminology and Critical Thinking, FEBS Let. 558, pages 3-6, 2004. 2. A.B. He. Catalase, in Methods of Enzymatic Analysis, edited by H. U. Bergmeyer, Volume 3, Weinheim, VCH Verlag, pages 273-278, 1987. 3. Agrawal, S., and Rao, A.V., Tomato lycopene and Low-Density Lipoprotein Oxidation, A Human Dietary Intervention Study, Lipids 33, 981-984, 1988. 4. Alskog, J.E., Udy, R.J., Lowe, P.A., Tice, G.M., Nick Kander, K.K., Peterson, R.C. and Koch men, E. No evidence for systemic oxidant stress in Parkinson's or Alzheimer's disease, Movement Disorders 10, 566-573, 1995. 5. Anran, G., Gardner, A., and London, T. Increased glutathione peroxidase activity in erythrocytes in patients with Alzheimer's disease/senile dementia of Alzheimer's type. Acta Neurologica Scandinavica 73, 586-589, 1986. 6. Asruck. Sinha. Colorimetric Assay of Catalase Analytical Biochemistry 47, 389-394, 1972. 7. Bolish, L., and Leon, M. Evidence of an Oxidative Challenge in the Alzheimer's Brain, Neurochemical Research 19, 1131-1137, 1994. 8. Bell, C., Davis, J., Cole, G. M. and Schubert, D. Vitamin E protects nerve cells from amyloid beta protein toxicity, Biochemical and Biophysical Research Communications 186, 944-9, Bernath, J., and D. Foldisi. C. Buckthorn, Hypophy-ramnoids L., A Promising New Medicinal and Food Corp. J., Herbs, Spices and Medicinal Plants 1, 1/2 27-35 1992. 10. Beutler E. Red Cell Metabolism. A Manual of Biochemical Methods, New York, Gruen and Stratton, pages 64-68, 1971. 11. Blass J.P., Gleason P., Brush D., et al. Thiamine and Alzheimer's Disease. A Pilot Study. Arch Neurol, 45:833-5, 1988. 12. Block G., Patterson B., Sub-R8 Fruits, Vegetables and Cancer Prevention, A Review of Epidemiological Evidence. NutriCancer, 18, 1-29, 1992. 13. Breedy, R., Crossetti, F.P., Stefan, V.M. and Henriquez, A.T., The Antioxidant Activity of Standardized Extract of Ginkgo biloba, EGB 761, in Rats, Phytotherapy Research 15, 449-451, 2001. 14. Bush, A.I., Metals and Neuroscience, Current Opinion in Chemical Biology 4, 184-191, 2000. 15. C. Regnault, M. Sauersack, M. Ruckarvaler, E. Posteyer and G. Haysbrook, Pharmacokinetics of Superoxide Dismutase in Rats After Oral Administration, Biopharm. Drug Dispose. 17, pages 174-195, 1996. 16. Campbell, A. The Potential Role of Aluminium in Alzheimer's Disease. Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation 17, 17-20, 2002. 17. Chen, L., Richardson, J., Caldwell, J., and Ong, L. Regional brain activity of free radical defense enzymes in autopsy samples from patients with Alzheimer's disease and from non-demented controls, International Journal of Neuroscience 75, 83-90, 1994. 18. Cohen, G. Oxygen Radicals and Parkinson's Disease, in Hallowell, B. ed., Oxygen Radicals and Tissue Injury, Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology, Maryland, MD, pages 130-135, 1988. 19. Cohen, G., and Spina, M.B. Deprenyl suppresses the oxidant stress associated with increased dopamine turnover, Annals of Neurology 26, 689-690, 1989. 20. Damasio, P., Kaiser, S., and Cease, H. Lycopene as the most effective biological carotenoid singlet oxygen quencher, Archives of Biochemistry and Biophysics 270. 21. Eccleston, C., Baru, Y., Tavanen, R., Kallio, H., Rimbach, G. H. and Minihane, A.M. Effects of an antioxidant-rich juice, seabuckthorn, on risk factors for coronary heart disease in humans. Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry 13346-54, 2002. 22. Eder L., Duna Y., Lockton F., Thiamine and cholinergic transmission in the electric organ of torpedo. J. Neurochem, 35:1278-96, 1980. 23. Eder L., Hurt L., Duna Y. Possible involvement of thiamine in acetylcholine release. Nature 264:186-8, 1976. 24. Fawn, S. An Open Trial of High-Dosage Antioxidants in Early Parkinson's Disease, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 53, 380-382, 1991. 25. Fei Q, Yang Qy, Yang GD, Shi J, Chang C. and Chen H.J. Determination of tocopherol content in seabuckthorn oil by reverse #phase high-performance liquid chromatography. Journal of 11 A Medical University 14, 181-183, 1993. 26. Floyd R.A., Carney J.M. Free radical damage to protein and DNA, mechanisms involved and relevant observations on brain undergoing oxidative stress. And Neurol 32, S22, S27, 1992. 27. Foy, C.J., Passmore, A.P. Vahidasar, M.D., Young, I.S. and Lawson, J.T., Plasma Chain-Breaking Antioxidants in Alzheimer's Disease, Vascular Dementia and Parkinson's Disease, The Quarterly Journal of Medicine 92, 39-45, 1999. 28. Franceschi, D., Graham, D., Sarajua, M., and Zollinger, Jr., P.M. Mechanisms of Oxygen-Free Radical-Induced Calcium Overload in Endothelial Cells, Surgery 108, 292-297, 1996. 29. Frolic, L., and Riederer, P. Free Radical Mechanisms in Dementia of Alzheimer Type and the Potential for Antioxidant Treatment, Drug Research 45, 443-446, 1995. 30. Gao, X., Olander, M. Jepson, N., Bjork, L. and Trajkovsky v. Changes in Antioxidant Effects and Their Relationship to Phytonutrients in Fruits of Seabuckthorn, Hippophae rhamnoids L., during maturation. Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry 48, 1485. 31. Gibson G.E., Shu K.F., Blas J.P., et al. Reduced activities of thiamine-dependent enzymes in the brains and peripheral tissues of patients with Alzheimer's disease. Arch Neurol, 45:836-40, 1988. 32. Goldberg D.M. and Spooner R.J. Glutathione reductase, in, edited by H. U. Bergmeyer, Methods of Enzymatic Analysis, 3, Weinheim, VCH Verlag. Pages 258-264, 1987. 33. Goodwin, J.S., Goodwin, J.M. and Gary, PJ, Association between Nutritional Status and Cognitive Functioning in a Healthy Elderly Population, Journal of American Medical Association 249, 2917-2921, 1983. 34. Grundmann M. Vitamin E and Alzheimer Disease, the basis for additional clinical trials. AMJ Clin Nutri 71, 630S, 636S, 2000. 35. H. Cease, Oxidative Stress, Oxidants and Antioxidants, EXP Physiol 82, pages 291-295, 1997. 36. Hallowell B., Gutteridge JMC. In Free Radicals in Biology and Medicine, 2nd ed., Oxford University Press, Oxford, UK, 1989. 37. Hallowell B. Free Radicals, Antioxidants and Human Disease, Curiosity, Cause or Consequences? Lancet, 344:721-4, 1994. 38. Hallowell, B., and Gutteridge, J. Oxygen Radicals and the Nervous System, Trends in Neurosciences 8, 22-26, 1985. 39. Heinonen, M., Meyer, A., Frankel, E. Antioxidant Activity of Berry Phenolics on Human Low-Density Lipoprotein and Liposome Oxidation. J. Agric, Food Chemistry 46, 4107-4112. 1998, 40. Hiroshi Okawa, Nobuko Ahishi and Kunin Yagi. Assay for lipid peroxides in animal tissues by thiobarbituric acid reactions. Analytical Biochemistry 95, 351-358, 1979. 41. Hobbs, A.J., Higgs, A. and Moncada, S. Inhibition of nitric oxide synthase as a potential therapeutic target, Annual Review of Pharmacology and Toxicology 39, 191-220, 1999. 42. Huang Yq and Xiao YY. Determination of Adacofferol and its isomers in seabuckthorn oils by high-performance liquid chromatographic method. 43. Jabukzinska R., Krawazik U. and Minkowski K. Fatty acids and tocopherols in some varieties of Hippophae rhamnoids. Acta Polonii Pharmaceutica, Drug Research J.I., 3 267-269, 1994. 44. Jacob R.A. The Integrated Antioxidant System. Nutrires, 15, 5 755-66, 1995. 45. Jenner, P. Oxidative Damage in Neurodegenerative Disease, Lancet 344, 796-799, 1994. 46. Joseph, J. A., The Putative Role of Free Radicals in the Loss of Neuronal Functioning in Senescence, Integrated Physiology and Behavioral Science 27, 216-217, 1992. 47. K. B. Beckman and B. N. Ames, The Free Radical Theory of Aging Matures, Physiol, Rev. 78, pages 547-581, 1998. 48. Kaul, S., and Krishnakantha, T.P. Influence of Retinal Deficiency in Curcumin/Turmeric Feeding on Tissue Microsomal Membrane Lipid Peroxidation and Fatty Acids in Rats, Molecular and Cellular Biochemistry 175, 43-48, 1997. 49. Keloff, G.J., Crowell, J.A., Hawk, E.T., Steele, V.E., Lubit, R.A., Boone, C.W., Covey, J.M., Duty, L.A., Oman, G.S., Greenwald, P., Hong, W.K., Parkinson, D.R., Bogger, D., Baxter, G.T., Blunden, M., Dultz, M.K., Eisenhower, K.M., Johnson, K., Knapp, G.G., Longfellow, D.G., Malone, W.F., Nayfield, S.G., Seafried, H. Swall, L.M. and Sigman, C.C., Strategy and Planning for Chemopreventive Drug Development, Clinical Development Plan, Curcumin, Journal of Cellular Biochemistry 26, 72-85, 1996. 50. Kennard, M.L., Feldman, H., and Yamada, T. Serum levels of the iron protein P97 are elevated in Alzheimer's disease. Nature Medicine 2, 1230-1235, 1996. 51, Lovell, M.A., Amen, W.D., Butler, S.M. and Marksburg, W.R. Elevated thiobarbituric acid reactive substances and antioxidant enzyme activity in the brain in Alzheimer's disease. Neurology 45, 1594-1601, 1995. 52, M. Christofidis Alamadou and V. R. Musicantov, Antioxidant Strategies in Respiratory Medicine, Treat. Res Med 53, Maria.S. Moran, Joseph. W. De Pearce and Benck-Manervik. Levels of glutathione, glutathione reductase and glutathione S transferase activities in rat lung and liver, Biochemica et Biophysica Acta. 1979, 54. Marksberry, W.R. Oxidative Stress Hypothesis in Alzheimer's Disease, Free Radical Biology in Medicine 23, 134-147, 1997. 55, Marksbury, W., and Amon, A. Brain Trace Elements in Alzheimer's Disease, in, Terry, R., Atzman, R., and Bick, K., eds, Alzheimer's Disease, Raven Press, New York. Martins, R.N., Harper, C.G., Stokes, G.B. and Masters, C.L. 1986, Increased Cerebral Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase activity in Alzheimer's disease may reflect oxidative stress, Journal of Neurochemistry 46, 1042-1045, 1993. 56, Marksbury, W.R. and Carney, J.M., Oxidative Alterations in Alzheimer's Disease, Brain Pathology 9, 133-146, 1999. 57, Markland S.L., Westman N.G., Lundgren E., Roos G., Copper and zinc, containing superoxide dismutase, manganese containing superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase in normal and neoplastic human cell lines and normal human tissues. Cancer Res 42:1955-1961, 1982. 58. Marquet A., Bui B.T., and Florentine D., Biosynthesis of biotin and lipoic acid. Vitamhorm 61, 51-101, 2001. 59, Masaki, K.H., White, L.R. and Petrovich, H. The Influence of Prior and Concurrent Use of Aspirin and Vitamins on Cognitive Function Scores in Elderly Japanese-American Men. 4th International Conference on Alzheimer's Disease and Related Disorders, Neurobiology of Aging 15, S1, 4th International Conference on Alzheimer's Disease and Related Disorders, 1994. 60, Matson M.P. Creatine, Prescription for Bad Genes and a Hostile Environment, Trends Neurosci